We will say that you are good, and all the miracles you've done has brought us joy. And we are changed for all the hope we have, we place in you. And we are changed for all the hope we have, we place in you. For we are changed, it's evident. And all the hope we have, we place in you. And we are changed, and all the hope we have, place in you, our God. And we are changed for all the hope we have, place in you. And we will say that you are good. All the miracles you've done have brought us joy. We are changed. All the hope we have, place it. You want me to join me, sing this? We sing, Father, we declare that we love you. We declare our everlasting love for you. Oh, Father, we declare that we love you. We love you. We declare our everlasting love. We declare our everlasting love. We declare our everlasting love for you. We declare our everlasting, yeah. We declare our everlasting. We declare our everlasting love for you. So Father, we greater love has no man than this, for you first loved us, God. So we bring it back to you. We respond with a posture of love, God. Openly declare So Father, we declare that we love you. Yeah, we declare everlasting